Hey, beautiful people. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Okay. So we're here in the kitchen because the lighting is awesome and I have a box, right? So if you're new to this channel, thanks for stopping by. Something new, something for the men, okay? Or if you're thinking of really good gifts right now, this is Municipal, okay? This brand is by Mark Wahlberg, you know, Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch. No copyright here. Okay, so again, if you're new, thanks for coming by. This is something that we do. We unbox things, right? So if you want to see new, different stuff, that's what I try to do. I try to bring things that are actually worth value. So stick around. I don't use a script. But welcome in, beautiful people. And welcome to the channel of one busy mama. Anyway, Municipal has been attacked by the dog, who's sitting right here live and full effect, wondering what I'm gonna do with this box. So let's crack it open. If you hear anything in the background, I apologize. I'm trying to run a video. So anyway, let's go with this box. Grabbing some scissors. So hope you guys are doing well. I'm gonna have something maybe on that side to let you know all about Municipal's website, again by Mark Wahlberg. So I do like Mark Wahlberg. I'm a fan, like I've never seen all of his movies, but I do like some of his movies. I have gone to Wahlbergers. Have you checked it out? Do you even know what Wahlbergers is? Okay, so got some shipping info. So there are 4 items here. And like I said, sale rack. Hey. Oh, you wanna see? So it looks like this. She thinks I'm talking to her. I'm not talking to you, Gigi. I'm talking to the fake people right here. But they're gonna listen to this, so don't worry, I'm not crazy. She can't see, you know, and she doesn't understand, right? We don't understand? Yeah. All right, so well packaged here. Nothing is breakable. But right on top, we have Municipal. Very hard for me to say that. Hat. I want to show you like the fabric and everything so you guys understand. So it's a snapback. Remember that? Like snapbacks? And it's got vents, you know, you can see through it. Do you see that? So nice aeration for the summertime. And then right here it says Municipal Sport Utility Gear. And this is one size fits most. OSFM, and it's black, and it does say one size fits all here though, and it's got the tag all over the place. Mark wears his own products, as we all should. If we have our own products, we should be wearing them, right? Market yourself. Okay, and this is a Enduro short in heather gray, size medium. So the prices do vary, but really I showed a little video over here about prices. So this is the short. I'd say it's like a mid-length short. I like the feel. So you guys got to see this. You guys see the fabric. It's got a little bit of give to it. Very well stitched. Again, Municipal here, size medium. That's the inner pocket. No, the back pocket, and then this is the side pockets. It does have a drawstring. And let me show you, the back has pockets. I like the heather gray because it pretty much goes with everything. And also here we got some logo right here for Municipal. Back pockets are snap, full pocket, which is great because a lot of guys put like their wallet, their phone, so they're both snap. Oh gosh. Yeah, we're not gonna play with that. And then we got a full size pocket here, really deep. This is actually very nice and comfy feeling. Okay, so there's that. Next is also size medium. This is the training camp jogger. It's black and slime color. So let's check it out. I'm thinking this is a great gift if you know somebody who, I don't know, maybe is a fan of Mark Wahlberg or just wants to try a new brand. So this is the logo here on the side, which I really love. Victoria's Secret's pink, they do that. I love that. Very nicely stitched here. And then this is the slime color. So sport, utility gear. And it's a jogger pant, so you have the cuff bottom, which I like. It's coming back, guys, it's coming back. Again, drawstring in the front. Okay, so side pocket has a zipper. Because remember, this is supposed to be a jogger pant, so you can put your phone in there. Hey, Gigi, no. Oh gosh. So, and then it has a nice quality zipper with a pull string and a pocket. Okay, so this is really thinking outside the box, which is what I like about Mark Wahlberg. Like, he really does think outside the box when it comes to gear. And he does sell men and women's clothing. So that was that side. So on the other side is just a regular pocket, still deep, really great quality. Let me show you the ribbing up here so you can see. And the drawstring that matches. I like this. Yeah, it feels very soft. And then lastly, since there were only 4 pieces, this is a large. This is the Hitman. Is it Hitman? Yeah, HIT as in HIIT, like HIT workout. I'm thinking, that's what I think it is. Cut off hoodie, large. And if you know Mark, he pretty much lives in sweatpants. I'm sure he dresses up on occasions, but really you see him in sweatpants. So why not make your own, right? Okay, so this is how it comes, just like that. And this is to protect the writing here, which says Municipal, upper left chest. You can see the drawstring right here. Let's open it up. So this is large. So on me, would come down right here, perfect. And then you have the front pockets. I'll try it on. Who doesn't love a hoodie? Hoodie looks great. And then it does have, oh, the cut sleeves, right? He does actually wear a lot of those. He probably was wearing prototypes. But on the back it says Municipal Sport Utility Gear. So it's got like that black and gray effect. Some more inner stitching just to let you guys see what's going on here. Very soft. And this is good for like if you're going for a jog in those winter months, right? Or even summer when you just want to burn. Like, I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, here's the hat. I feel like I need some gear and make my own. Like, maybe I need to come up with like my own. Anyway, let's talk about Mark. Okay, so here is the hoodie. Let me back up. Back it up, back it up, back it up. All right, so you guys can see, let me pull it all the way out. So that's the full length, right? You're gonna like wear it like that. So this doesn't reach inside. You know how some of those, which I love, that go all the way through the pockets, but I think it's good enough for like your keys. I wouldn't put my phone because I feel like it would get lost, but here is the back. Yes, are we loving? I'm loving. loving it, okay? Super soft. I like the simplicity of the logo. Oh my gosh. Municipal. Okay, so there's the hat, which is pretty cool. And that's the hoodie. I really like it. Because I like stuff that comes all the way down, but I can see this being like fall and a summer type gear, especially if you're in Florida, because it's like cold, but not super cold. I don't know. Have you guys heard of this brand? Have you heard of Mark Wahlberg? I would hope so, but anyway, are you guys a fan of buying like celebrity type clothing pieces? This is the men's. So I'm thinking this is a really great deal. Like if you know your person's size, that sales rack is awesome. They have underwear, they have joggers, hoodies, and all kinds of stuff on sale because the regular price is pretty pricey. Not to say that it's not worth it, because I think the quality of the material is really worth it. I don't know that it's organic or sustainable type stuff, but it's great quality. It's 4 products. That's enough to make an outfit, right? You got a jogger, you got a sweater, you got a hat, and shorts. That's good enough to like start out, right? So anyway, let me know what you guys think of this video, of the items that I showed you. Trying to bring stuff that's new and different. Probably not a new brand, but a brand that I don't see too much of. So let me know down below, guys. And if you have any questions, I'll be sure to like figure it out and let you know in the comment section. And if you're new here, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to check that playlist of unboxings, because there's always something here. Okay, so see you in the next video. Stay safe, guys.